How to activate Vanilla Gift Card 2025 method. If you just picked up a Vanilla Gift Card and are wondering how to activate it in 2025, you're in the right place. Many people get this wrong, trying random methods or assuming it's ready to use straight out of the package. But the truth is, proper activation is essential before you can make purchases online or in stores. Today, we'll walk through the complete, step-by-step method to activate your Vanilla Gift Card quickly and safely. First, let's cover the basics. Vanilla Gift Cards are prepaid cards issued by major networks like Visa, MasterCard, or American Express. They can be used wherever those networks are accepted, making them flexible alternatives to cash or standard gift cards. However, unlike a traditional debit card, Vanilla Gift Cards are not automatically active when purchased. Without activation, your card will not work, and attempts to use it may be declined. Step 1. Locate the activation instructions. These are typically printed on the packaging or included in a sticker on the back of the card. You'll see a website or a toll-free phone number specifically for activation. For 2025, the primary method is online through the official Vanilla Gift Card activation portal, though phone activation is still available if you prefer. Step 2. Gather necessary information. Before you start, make sure you have the following on hand: the 16-digit card number, the 3-digit security code on the back of the card, the expiration date, and sometimes the purchase receipt. Having these ready will save time and prevent errors during activation. Step 3. Online activation. Go to the official website listed on the card packaging for Vanilla. It's usually www.vanillagift.com/activate. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to enter the card number, security code, and expiration date. You may also be asked for your ZIP code associated with the purchase. Input all information carefully. Mistyping any digit can prevent activation. After entering the details, click Activate or Submit. Most cards are activated instantly, though some may take a few minutes to update in the system. You should see a confirmation message on screen stating that your card is active and ready to use. If you encounter an error, double-check all information, ensure you're on the correct website, and try again. Common issues include entering the wrong ZIP code or using the card before it's fully processed at the point of purchase. Step 4. Phone activation. If you prefer, you can activate by calling the number listed on the card. This is helpful if you don't have internet access or if the online portal is experiencing downtime. Call the toll-free number and follow the automated instructions. You'll need the same information as the online method: card number, security code, expiration date, and sometimes your ZIP code. The automated system will confirm activation, and your card will be ready to use immediately. Step 5. Register your card. Although not strictly necessary for basic purchases, registering your Vanilla Gift Card online adds an extra layer of security. Registration links the card to your name and email address, making it easier to recover your balance if the card is lost or stolen. You'll also be able to check your balance online at any time, which is extremely convenient for managing multiple cards. Step 6. Verify activation and balance. After activation, it's smart to check your balance before using the card. This ensures that the full amount you purchased is available and confirms that the activation worked. You can check the balance either online at the official portal or by calling the customer service number. Some users skip this step, but it's crucial to avoid declines during transactions. Step 7. Using your Vanilla Gift Card. Once activated, you can use it anywhere the card network is accepted. For online purchases, enter the card number, expiration date, and security code like you would with a debit or credit card. In stores, swipe or enter the card as a debit card. Keep in mind that some merchants may place a temporary authorization hold for a small amount, so having the full balance available is important. Step 8. Managing multiple cards. Many people buy several Vanilla Gift Cards at once to cover large purchases. In 2025, the process is similar for multiple cards, but each card must be activated individually. After activation, consider consolidating your balances if the merchant allows split payments or using each card separately to ensure you fully utilize the funds without confusion. Step 9. Troubleshooting. Sometimes cards don't activate immediately. Common reasons include system delays, entering incorrect information, or purchasing the card from a third-party retailer that hasn't processed the activation yet. If activation fails online or by phone, wait a few hours and try again. If issues persist, contact Vanilla Gift Card customer service. Keep your purchase receipt handy. It's your proof of purchase and helps resolve activation issues faster. Step 10. Expiration and fees. Vanilla gift cards in 2025 usually have no monthly maintenance fees and remain valid for several years. However, check your card for any expiration or inactivity rules. If you do not use the card within a certain period, some fees may apply. Activating your card promptly and making at least one small purchase helps prevent any unnecessary deductions from your balance. Let's recap the entire process in a simple loop to retain information. Find the instructions, gather your card info, choose online or phone activation, input the data correctly, confirm activation, register the card, verify your balance, and start using it. If anything goes wrong, troubleshooting and customer service are your backstops. The surprising truth about vanilla gift cards is that activation is often overlooked. Many people assume the card is ready to use immediately. Skipping the activation step can cause declined purchases, frustration at checkout, and unnecessary calls to customer service. By following these steps carefully, you ensure your card works smoothly from day one. In conclusion, activating your vanilla gift card in 2025 is a straightforward process, but it requires attention to detail. Use the official website or toll-free number, have your card information ready, register your card for security, and verify the balance. Once activated, you can enjoy the flexibility of a prepaid card that works online, in stores, and even for gifts. Most people get this wrong by trying to use the card too early or skipping registration, so take the few minutes to follow these steps and avoid common pitfalls. By mastering the activation process, you ensure your vanilla gift card is fully functional and ready to help you manage purchases conveniently, securely, and effectively. Whether it's for personal use, gifts, or budgeting, a properly activated card is your first step to seamless spending in 2025.